Maurice. That nigga, what the fuck? That nigga the athlete. What that? Oh shit. Oh.
No, come on, fool.
Okay.
I got a minute left in the booth. Watch out, shoot this nigga.
And so you got a minute left in the booth.
Jump off the porch, smokers outside, roll the blunt, just me and Mitch. She know I'm ballin', she won't call, but I'm on that gang shit. These niggas always play pick a side. Fuck who you run with, cause we some young niggas who slang iron and step on shit. Nigga, we set pressure quick.
Yeah.
Bust 'em up with that stick, nigga. I don't wanna hear your shit.
Alright, pause it, bro. Pause it.
Proud of your jurisdiction on my way to a picture.
Whoa, y'all hear that? Y'all hear that?
It's not it started off cool. But like,
Go back.
The full song, bro. Just the full song. Then
go back.
You never know. It might surprise you.
This so hard as hell.
We set pressure quick. Bust 'em up with
Nigga,
that
obviously
nigga. I
lying.
don't wanna hear your shit. I beat you in your bitch.
Nigga say I beat you and your bitch.
Okay, alright, bro.
That nigga bitch.
I don't know what's wrong with these niggas. Nigga, last time he said he beating pregnant bitches. Now he beating the nigga and his bitch. Shit is just crazy.
Nigga uncle shit. Nigga beating bitches.
Hey, I ain't gonna fat nigga posted with that tool over there. Fuck with him. Smack over him.
Nigga, that's my boy. But I fuck with that.
Shit, I beat you in your bitch. Proud of your jurisdiction on my way to
Oh, that's your fat ass.
That's why you gonna let that man just do you like that, bro.
When I play off a certain girl, niggas just can't talk.
What you do what?
Man, chill out, man.
I've been with the shit, little boy. You on my dick, nigga. This shit so thanks. Whoever see some fall off from that stick, nigga. Little Smitty, I can't tell that nigga. No, he tryna blitz, niggas won't talk that shit. The bitch couldn't even tap the car ignition, yeah. Don't shit, that's what my niggas on.
Oh, that shit was hard. Wait, play that.
How you feel about this song?
This shit is something. Find something.
For sure, I ain't even got nothing against the nigga that got smacked. Bitch, niggas ain't no location. I got Will Smith tweaking station. That good, I can't even fake it. Try to rock out where you hit it. Pharmaceuticals got me fitted. Fuck that hoe, I would not chase her. Little brother hit him with that bitch. I'm a bomb in
I would not chase her.
I put some up, it's no motherfucker who you love. I'm like this till I'm gone, ain't moving on forever. Niggas play on social sites, get off their phone, they pray for luck. But God cannot save from us, destined I see blood. Don't make me whoop me in this bitch. Cause you acting full of drugs to beat your ass in slow motion if I'm slumped down from that mud.
What is that good? There you go.
Yeah, pause it. Wait, hold on, pause it. Who is this nigga right here? Who is that nigga?
That's Mitch. Oh, that's
Mitch. This nigga got too much damn energy. He been dancing the whole fucking video.
Look at his eyes.
I mean, probably off a whole energy drink.
I'm out here go with my fingers tuck. Won't be with me, how you bang a tuck. I'm a kid for you and I'm hanging us. Nigga, I did a bob on the bitch.
Wait, pause it again. Clay, do you know what this is located? Do you have any idea where this is located?
Just why you trying to get that man right, man?
Nigga, what are you talking about, nigga?
I did a bob on the bitch. I kinda sue a church to
Will I be up?
money to get, nigga. Yeah, that's how gangsta get. Fuck the nigga you got tatted, I'm the reason you bitch, nigga.
Fuck the nigga you got tatted. I'm the reason he.
He said, I'm the reason you blitz. He blitzed.
Hold on, go to comments.
Go to comments.
No, go back. Go back to what he said. Fuck you.
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Why you doing that, game?
Look at the views though. 1.4 in 1 day. 1.4 in 1 day though. I'm just saying.
Nigga
Oh
say,
Lord, he about to say something about 40 Glock. Yeah, I know, bro. I know.
nigga say, Common says it all.
Man, like, you just feel a 40 like you I just know it's gonna be enough.
How y'all feel about this? How y'all feel about this song?
I fuck with it.
Shit.
Don't lie. Don't lie.
Don't
If I had
lie.
to rate this, motherfucker, I'd probably say about 7 out of 10. You know,
What your favorite lyric is?
shit. At the end of the song, he was like, "Fuck the nigga who you got tagged. I'm the reason you hit blitz some shit."
What's your second favorite lyric? What's your second
Why you
favorite
do it?
lyric?
Hey, say, hey, why you doing that?
Huh?
What's your second
What you doing?
favorite
Man,
lyric
can you
is?
focus on somebody asking that man the questions?
I just asked him what his second favorite lyric is. What the fuck?
I feel like he got potential. It's just this song right here, just no bars, no flow, it's just basic.
He got potential. He got potential. Latwan, what's your favorite song? What's your favorite song by him is? Then?
Why is you doing that though, gang? I don't listen to him like that. I just know he got potential. The way Clint talk about him, the nigga just pop. You know what I'm saying?
He's him. Yes, he's him.
Clay, what's your favorite song is?
Bro, all of them, bro.
All of them.
I ain't gotta say
like
that.
a little song like that. Whoa.
Bro, what? Nigga, fuck you. Yeah, man.
Oh, hold on. Go 10
Name
for 10. Go 10
5
for 10.
bGlizzyBandit songs.
Go 10 for
No.
10. Go ahead.
Name 5 bGlizzyBandit songs right now.
Cuz.
Go ahead. That's your cousin. That's your cousin.
Hey.
Let me talk. Exposing me.
Too late now. Too late.
Shot down. Fuck your promises. 2 Glocks.
Bitch, you just see now.
Treacherous activity. That nigga said you see that on the screen. Oh my god. Treacherous activity. Brrr. What else they got? Brrr. He got a song named Brrr. Brrr. Man, I don't got that many songs, man. Leave me alone. Fuck.
That's crazy, nigga.
Disappointing.
Devontae, what you think about this?
I named about 6, bro. 6 or 7.
Devontae don't lie.
No.
Are you
It's street. It's street. I ain't gonna. It's street.
What's your favorite bar?
Oh, he said you gonna beat that nigga and his bitch.
Oh, so that's you like when a nigga said that shit, huh?
But nigga ain't got no name poet.
Nigga ain't got no pics, huh? You beating bitches, kids, grandma, grandparents. You don't give a fuck, huh?
Like Devontae,
My name is the least. My name is the least.